on, Marilyn. Oh, good eye.
Down.
See.
All right. Good job. So in.
Do they start wanting us to cheer now?
I know. Oh, I don't like when they do that.
No, I know. Stand up. Don't tell me what to do.
I tell you what to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now you see it. Come on, give it a ride now. There you go.
Way to get a peek.